Hi, and welcome to my channel. After 75 horrible days of not riding, let's finally take my Duke 390 outside. मैं भी आपकी तरह बहुत ही ज़्यादा excited हूँ. But before that, let's take some pre-checks because after a long time I'm taking my bike out. So number one, your tires. A-okay. Next the sprocket. A-okay. And now the rest on the way on the ride. Let's go. Oh damn, I can't tell you how much I miss sitting on my bike wearing a helmet. Chalo, start karte hain. I'm pretty sure she's gonna get started in one crank. And 3, 2, 1. Savanya Mama Dichi Baba. Let's go. Look, while you are at it, make sure you guys also check for open wires. Since it's the monsoon season, you never know for how long you kept your bike, and rats got in, rats bit a bunch of your wires, you get a short circuit somewhere on the way in the middle. It's not a good thing to experience. And also make sure you check your documents, because my emission was expired, and that's exactly where I'm going. I'm actually going to get my emission certificate renewed, because cops gonna want to make some money this time. Emission martira. It just feels so good to be back on my bike, and yep, doesn't look like it makes any difference to anybody over here. Coronavirus, we ain't fearing from you. We are atmanirbhar. Alright, so then that was a smooth operation. Samaya, all good. So the next thing I want to get done is, if you can see this, I got this sticker done after my Ladakh ride. You can check out the entire video on my playlist. It's been around 2 years now, and it's almost completely worn out, and I don't want to disrespect Om Mani Padme Hum like that. So I'm just going to go to a shop down by Drive 2 in Mangalore. I'm pretty sure you guys know it. I'm going to go there and get it redone. My boy Mohit is right over there.
I don't get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it, I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest, I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'ma be the one that worked the hardest, cause I promise you that I'm just getting started. And I promise you that my skills are getting sharper, so I'ma get charted.
Well, just check this out. Let me just stop right over here. Alright, just look at that. Neatly done. Been there, done that. I left these edges a little rough right over here and right over here, because I wanted it to have a little bit of the older look, because she's 2017 and I didn't want a brand new sticker. But leaving it completely undone didn't feel like I'm respecting the slope. I hope 2020 just gets better for all of us. Let's go. Alright, so the plan next is to hit the highway and try to go to some shore. It's been quite some time I haven't gone to the beach. There's nothing I love more than the beach. It's been good 40 to 50 days I'm in Mangalore and I haven't seen the ocean, so that's a big bummer. I don't think they should be stopping me, because everything is open. You have to be atmanirbhar, you have to live with corona, and that's the scene. So if they stop me, I'm going to respect them, I'm going to say sorry, and I'm going to come back. But I don't think they can actually stop us from going to the beach, because it's Mangalore city, and every left from here will take me to some or the other shore. So let's see what's going to happen. I know a spot where a lot of people don't come, so I'm going to go there. I'm just going to chill for a while. Let's see what happens. Let's go now.
So I'd be cautious, I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous, cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me, never ain't an option. So I'd be cautious, I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous, cause I will not quit, no, because I want this.
The only thing that's upsetting me right now is that I haven't worn full sleeves, and I'm gonna burn my hand because the sun is barging heat at me. But it is still cool. It is still better than staying at home and being blocked out, and I'm so grateful for being able to do this. So let's enjoy. I hope you guys are enjoying. All right, just look at this beautiful piece of art created by the Lord. What a beauty. Duke, keep quiet, baby. Just look at that beauty. Guys, I finally made it. This is so damn beautiful. Just feels amazing. Just honestly feels just amazing to come here and I don't know, just see. There's literally nobody. There's literally nobody. I don't see anybody, and that's exactly what I wanted. Before you guys comment in the comment section below, let me just tell you guys, yes, I shaved and I look horrible probably. If not, make sure you guys click the like button. But this is goddamn beautiful. This feeling is amazing. Amazing to have the sun on my face. Guys, I totally understand the fact that you guys are probably feeling the same way. You guys just want to get out of your houses and do your favorite thing. But hanging tight over there. Try to enjoy everything you can from this video. I hope I'm making you do that. I hope I'm helping you enjoy and kill time.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one. Only one.
Damn, the sun is shining goddamn bright and beautiful, and I just parked my bike somewhere over there and I came down to just take a walk or a jog or a run in the beach. Feels so good, and just the fact that not a lot of people around only makes it better.
Until I broke the rules, my life destroyed. Life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes.
Well, of course, I was told that you're going to realize the value of something when you lose it or when you don't have it a lot. And I just realized that the ocean, Mother Nature, is beauty, and that's what I miss and I value the most. I hope you guys value it too, because this is one learning lesson we all have to take from the coronavirus pandemic. If Mother Nature wants, she can jail you forever.
How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take?
Having said that, this is exactly what you're not supposed to do. Do not dirty the beach. Actually, do not dirty anything. Leave everything pretty and beautiful. I wish I had hand gloves, man. I could just take this and put it off somewhere, but unfortunately, also, please don't think that I came here without any precautions. I have my mask. I keep and then taking it out when I have to talk, because the audio doesn't capture really well otherwise. So, like and subscribe.
Fly away. It's the first time of today.
Let's keep this video short and simple. Make sure you guys like, share and subscribe. I came out today. I decided to come to the beach and get you guys along, because I know you guys watch these videos from places where you guys can't even come out. So I hope this refreshed you. I hope this helps you go through the day. I'll see you guys in another video. I love you guys. Hit the like, share, subscribe. Peace.
You're a superhero. You're a superhero.